Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zazie Graphics. In this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily enhance your picture on your mobile phone. Alright, so I'll be introducing you an app which is Phototune. This is the app I actually make use of in enhancing my designs, enhancing my image. Probably your client just sent it to you on a picture to you on WhatsApp, and you know WhatsApp actually tends to reduce the quality of your image. Then you can also change the settings anyway. But if in case you don't like having too many images on your WhatsApp, I mean the size, and you want like it to be reduced. So this is an option for you. A client send it to you, you want to increase the quality. All right, so the next thing, you just come here and enhance it. I made a previous video on Phototune, but then the application, you can't actually make a screen record on it, but now this is an improvement. All right, so the very first thing I'll be doing is that once I have the image on, or from here, or probably you downloaded an image from Google. So I downloaded this image from Google. This is a black American model, so I downloaded it from Google. So I can now just bring it here to Phototune. Now the quality, now when you download from Google, the quality will be actually low. So you have various options. Now you need your data on. You can see my data is on, and I'll just come here. Now if you actually want to download the application, this one is a modified version. So that's why if you're not using a modified version, if you're working on it, I think it has a daily limit that you have to the daily limit, I believe about 5 of them, and also it will be running ads. Now if you want to get this app, the link will be in the description of this video. So let's just get this going with. Now this is the image you got from your client. This is the original image I got from this client. All right, so this is the image. Now I can see it's already processing. It's processing. We're gonna wait. Okay, now this is the before, this is the after. Now you can see how it is now. And most times you need to be careful with the enhancement. You can reduce the intensity of your enhanced image. So this is the before, the after. Now why the intensity is here is for that is because most time when you enhance your image, it tends to now look like animation, like a cartoon. So it tends to look like a cartoon. So you can now thereby just correct that using the intensity option. Now this pro mode, most times when you enhance some image, it tends to, even though when you reduce the intensity, it tends to still look like cartoon. So hence the option, this pro mode option, it tends to like reduce the intensity, whereby the enhanced option has done, and just leave some effect. So once you're done, you can just come here, click on this save. But most times I use the enhanced one. I don't use the pro mode. I use the enhanced one. So this is the first option. Okay, this is the image I downloaded from Google. This particular lady here. So this one. Now if you look at the image very well, you notice that the image is it is, now look at before, and this is the after. Now you notice that how it was. So the same option, this is the face before and after. All right, so this is the pro mode. You see, it's not as clear as that, but we can still make use of it. And after, but I'll prefer this enhanced one. So let's just look at a face before and after. So I'll just save it. So it is saved, so you can actually share whatever you like, but I'm not sharing now, so I'll just go back. So there's another option, beautiful. It's beautify. So I'll click on this image that I just saved. Then let me just look at the face. So if you're liking this option, you can just save it. I just worked on the image I just enhanced now. Just look at it. I think it's kind of had a bit of some work on the face of the lady, which now makes it also beautiful. But mostly I don't make use of this just because of the design I want to do. So you can save it if you like. Let me just come to this beautify one and just save. All right, so it is done. So it's saved. Now, all right, HDR. This HDR option works if you just have a design you just did on Pixellab. All right, so let's just look at one of my previous designs. and I can just so this is it. I can just save as ultra. So it is saving, it's saving, it's taking the time, and all right. So while it's saving, in case you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And I share valuable content on this channel. All right, so it is saved. I'll wait for it. So let's just go back to Phototune. Now, it's one of my favorite anyway. So I'll just come back to HDR. Click on the image. So this is before and after. So you can see I've actually worked on this design. So you can reduce the intensity. Then you can now easily save. Now, in case you're not liking this option, I use it. You can also another option you can. No, I don't want to save. So you can, this colorize option is that it works on a fade out image. Let's just pick this one, but the results are not 100% okay. So this is the old one. This is the look at this is the one we have. So you just add a bit of coloring on the image. All right. So if you're liking this option, you can save, but and I actually don't like it anyway. Now I just want to try it on this image we downloaded from this one. Let's see the effect it's going to bring on it. This particular one. Now see it. See the before. Now see the after. They cannot make it look old school, but I don't like this option anyway. Alright, so that will be all for this particular video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Alright, we'll see in the next video. Now the application will be in the description of this video. So Zazie Graphics says goodbye.